Okay, this lipstick is officially my new obsession. It's super smooth, hydrating, and the color looks gorgeous all day. If you want an effortless everyday look, you have to try this.
Have you ever watched an advertisement online and thought, wow, this influencer is everywhere. Brands must be paying thousands of dollars for these videos. Well, what if I told you that many of these videos are not even real people anymore? Yes, that's right. The video you're looking at right now is completely AI generated. And the crazy part is that you can create these realistic UGC ads yourself for absolutely free. So let's get started. The first thing we need is an influencer image. Don't worry, we are not hiring anyone. Open Pinterest in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one or log into your existing account. Once you're inside Pinterest, go to the search bar and type American Influencer. Immediately, you'll see thousands of influencer photos appear on your screen. You'll find women influencers, lifestyle creators, beauty influencers, fitness creators, and many other options. Choose an image that looks natural and realistic. Try to avoid images that look heavily edited or overly professional, because authentic-looking influencers tend to perform much better in UGC advertisements. I personally like choosing creators who have a friendly smile, because viewers tend to trust those videos more. Once you've selected an influencer image you like, click on the three dots. Then click Download Image. Save the image somewhere on your computer because we'll need it shortly. Now that we have our influencer, let's find a product to promote. Open Amazon.com or any online shopping website. This could be Amazon, Walmart, Target, Etsy, or even your own e-commerce store. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Amazon. Go to the search bar and type lipstick for women. You'll immediately see plenty of options. Browse through the products and select one that catches your attention. Open the product page, then click on the product image that you like. Right-click the image and click Save Image As. Save the image to your computer. Next, copy the URL of the product page because we're going to use it inside ChatGPT. Now comes the fun part. Open ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, type this prompt. I am creating a UGC YouTube video with a girl promoting this product. Then paste the copied Amazon product URL. After that, type this sentence. I want you to write a short UGC product dialogue for a 10-second video. Then click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will create multiple dialogue options for you. It may generate scripts optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or general UGC advertisements. Read through all the options. Choose the dialogue that sounds authentic and conversational. Remember, the best UGC ads don't sound like advertisements. They sound like genuine recommendations from a friend. For example, instead of saying, "This revolutionary lipstick offers superior hydration technology," a better UGC script would sound like this. "Oh my gosh, I've finally found a lipstick that stays on for hours and actually keeps my lips hydrated. This shade is absolutely gorgeous, and I've been wearing it every day. You seriously need to try this." Do you see the difference? Natural language always wins. People don't like being sold to, people love recommendations. Now that we have our influencer image, our product image, and our dialogue, it's time to create the actual video. Open Google Flow and sign in. Once you're inside, click New Project. Now locate the plus icon. Click it, then click Upload Media. Upload both images that we downloaded earlier. Upload the influencer image first, then upload the product image. Once the images are uploaded, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the dialogue that you selected earlier. Now return to Google Flow. Paste the dialogue into the appropriate text area. Make sure you've selected the Video tab. Then ensure Ingredients is selected. Choose an aspect ratio of 16:9 because this is ideal for YouTube videos. If you want to create TikTok or Instagram Reels later, you can switch to a vertical format. For this tutorial, we're focusing on YouTube. Choose one generation because we only need one video. Make sure the model selected is OmniFlash. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Double-check all your settings. Now click Submit. At this point, Google Flow will start generating your AI UGC advertisement. Depending on your internet speed and server availability, this may take a moment. While it generates, let me explain why this technology is becoming so powerful. Businesses all over the world are constantly looking for content. Traditional UGC creators charge anywhere between $50 to $500 per video. Some creators charge thousands of dollars. But AI is changing everything. Now, small businesses, affiliate marketers, content creators, and beginners can create advertisements in minutes. Imagine creating 10 different advertisements for 10 different products every single day. The possibilities are endless. You can create beauty ads, you can create fitness ads, you can create kitchen product ads, you can create tech product ads, you can create skincare ads. You can even create ads for your own digital products. This is exactly why AI UGC content is exploding right now. Now, your video should be ready. Click on the preview.
Okay, this lipstick is officially my new obsession. It's super smooth, hydrating, and the color looks gorgeous all day. If you want an effortless everyday look, you have to try this.
Watch the video carefully. Pay attention to the facial expressions. Look at the hand movements. Notice how realistic the influencer appears. This is what makes AI UGC so powerful. Most viewers won't even realize it was AI generated. But here's an important tip. Always create multiple versions. Never rely on just one video. Change the influencer, change the dialogue, change the product angle, change the opening sentence, then test everything. Marketing is all about testing. Sometimes the first video won't perform well. Sometimes the third version suddenly explodes and gets millions of views. That's completely normal. Another important tip is to create strong hooks. The first 3 seconds are everything. If your opening is boring, viewers will immediately scroll away. Instead of starting with, "Today I'm reviewing this lipstick," try something like this. "I cannot believe nobody told me about this lipstick earlier." Or this, "I found the perfect lipstick and now I'm obsessed." Or this lipstick honestly surprised me." Hooks like these immediately grab attention. The next secret is captions. Always add captions to your videos. Many people watch videos without sound. Captions can dramatically increase viewer retention. Another tip is to keep your videos short. 10 to 20 seconds is often the sweet spot for UGC advertisements. Short videos tend to perform much better. Now let's talk about how you can actually make money with this skill. You can create advertisements for affiliate products. You can join affiliate programs and earn commissions. You can offer AI UGC creation services on freelance platforms. You can create content for local businesses. You can create content for e-commerce stores. You can even build your own social media pages and monetize them later. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe because I'll be showing more AI tools, AI automation tutorials, AI influencer creation methods, and free ways to make money online using AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.